All right, I'm going to show you what I do with all the scraps from this fruit. What you're going to need is a big stock pot like this. Turn on your heat and bring it to a boil. While I'm waiting for that water to boil, I bagged up all that fruit. Remember that fruit was just hanging out on the counter? Bagged it all up. I'm going to take this bag, put it right there in my freezer, let it freeze, and then anytime I want a smoothie, take it out for about an hour, let it start to thaw out a little bit, and then I have nice fruit for my smoothies, just like that. Now that my water is boiling, I'm gonna take my scraps and dump them right in there. So I got avocado skin in there, my tangerines, I got the core of my pineapple right here. That pineapple core, don't throw it out. Just dump it right there in the water. So everything is just gonna go into this pot. We bring it all to a boil, and then we let it simmer for 20 minutes, all right? Got some apple cores in there. I got the pits of strawberries, everything in the pool. All right, once it comes to a boil like that, you wanna introduce some essentials. This is the Vital Spice Daily Blend. You wanna crack that top and shake until your ancestors say, that's enough, shawty. That's enough. This right here is nothing but all natural energy. You got cinnamon, turmeric, parsley, basil. You got mint, black pepper, all essential, all natural, no chemicals. Stir that in. You can get it from UncleDibbz.com. Link is in my bio. Stir that on in. And then you want to cut this heat down to low and let this simmer for 20 minutes. And this is another thing. This smells absolutely like nature's love child. So it makes your house smell really nice too as well. I like to do this on Sundays. It's a nice reset for the house, a nice reset for myself. Let that simmer for 20 minutes. And I'm going to show you what the magic is. After 20 minutes, turn off your heat. Now it's time to strain this. The easiest way to do this for me is just to take a colander, strainer, put it over the top, bring this over to the sink. I'm gonna need 2 hands. I'm not gonna be able to show you because I need to use both hands. Get a nice big bowl and dump all of this vital nutrients, tea, right into a big bowl. Strain out the fruit scraps, throw them out, or do whatever you want with them. You can turn them into compost if you want. And then you have some nice tea. I'm gonna show you what it looks like here in a minute. But this is what the final product looks like. Fresh, vital tea, hot brewed. I got a nice, fresh, hot cup right there waiting for me. Or you can grab yourself a mason jar, fill it up, but make sure it's cool before you actually close the top. Let it cool down before you put it in the fridge. But all it is water, your fruit scraps, some of this vital spice, and that's all you need to keep your immune system strong, keep diseases away, keep sicknesses away, and just to make you regular, okay? So I hope this helps you out.